Return project, submission, Shawn, Waggoner, Daniel Wu. In this project, we are taking a Arduino Micro and turning it into an IR receiver. And what this receiver is going to do, it's going to receive a transmission from this remote, or any remote really, and it's going to translate the signals coming from the remote to something readable that the Arduino can understand and that the programmer can then use to implement some functionality. Here's a look at the simple circuit right here. Ignore the button that no longer works. This is the remote we're going to use. As mentioned before, you can use any remote that has IR functionality. I chose this one, it's just what I had laying around. In this project, I mapped the power button, DVD menu button, in this case up, down, left, right, OK, back, the Windows button, the rewind, fast forward, all the numbers you see here, with the exception of these two characters, and enter and clear. And we'll make the functions of those known shortly. Okay, this might be a little hard to see, so please bear with me. We are going to now test the functionality given to this remote control through the Arduino, and it's going to directly manipulate the Mozilla browser on my desktop. And what we're going to do now is we're going to start the Arduino, basically receive, and we're going to hit the power button that we've mapped on this remote. And as you can see, the LED lit up. What that's going to do is basically allow each keystroke or each key press on this remote to act directly as a key press, as if you're sending it from the keyboard here. So let's give it a shot. Alright, this is, of course, this is Mozilla right here. And let's say the first test, what we're going to do is going to input a string of numbers. And, as you can see right here, three, four, five, six, seven, 9, 0. Backspace there. But as you can see, and just kind of do it in real time, each time we press a button on the remote, it outputs the corresponding button to the browser. Next, we're going to show you the implementation of the back and forward pages on the remote here. The rewind is going to act as to go back a page, and accordingly the fast forward is going to do the opposite. So let's see that. Alright, now, as Google sits here, I've actually gone a couple pages ahead and back up to this, so we're going to hit fast forward on the keypad, which basically maps to the next page. So let's see what happens. Now, this is going through every page I've been to since the start of this this browser. It's a speed test on that. So now we're going to hit back. And it backs right back up. Back to the beginning. Just as with any touch dial, touchpad phone, the numbers here have letter functionality. In this instant, what we've done, we've added a mode button. And we're going to use the Windows Live button right here. It's going to toggle mode. Basically, if no mode is toggled, the face value of these keys right here will be used. 1, 2 through 0. Hit that button one time, it toggles the first mode, which will take basically the first letter of each of these right here. It'll output it when the button's pressed. And then likewise, toggle 3, toggle 4. For these 7 and 9s that have 4 characters. That's going to basically allow you, with the function of this toggle right here, to output any alphabetical character you wish. So let's give that a shot. Okay, this is going to be the key, the character example. First, what we're going to do, we've got a blank search bar right there. We're going to do it 2. We'll do the function. This should print out an A. Function. B. Function. C. And then if you hit function one more time, it's just going to cycle that right back to the beginning. And as you can see right here, and I'm going to do it in real time. I'm using the clear command on the remote that we've mapped. I'm going to show you the functionality of the clear and the enter buttons on the bottom of the remote. As you can see, I've got test in the search bar of Mozilla Firefox. And what I'm going to do here, I've got clear mapped to the backspace key on the keyboard and enter mapped to the return key. So what we're going to do is hitting the clear obviously takes your characters away, just as backspace would. And the enter button works just like a return. And with all that being said, this is our Term Project 3. Thanks for watching.